What size engine do you have?
I'm sorry, say that again?
What size engine do you have? Is this a 2.7 or a 3.2?
It's a 2.7.
And so what you're saying is so the battery's dead?
Yes.
And you can't open the trunk because there's no power anywhere. Is that correct?
Correct.
And you can pop the hood, right?
No, that's the problem. If I can pop the hood, I can get into where the battery is.
But you can get in the vehicle, right?
Oh, I can unlock the door with the key, but when I press the button to open the trunk, it doesn't work because there's no power. And the little latch on the side of the seat, of the driver's seat, you pull on it, and it doesn't work.
A silly question, does this vehicle have a cable that you can, a hidden cable somewhere where if you pull it, it'll manually open the hood? You know what? I thought on some of these Porsches, I could be wrong, but I thought there's a fuse box inside the vehicle, right? When you open up the door?
Yes.
I think they want you actually somehow supplying power to the fuse box inside the vehicle.
I saw that in the little bitty manual that they had inside that fuse box, but I was confused on, I know one of the negative goes to just the latch on the side of the door. And the other one, the positive, that's the one that I couldn't figure out what they were trying to tell me to connect it to.
I gotcha. So the fuse box inside the vehicle, this will power up everything, at least to the point where you can pop the trunk. So I'm sure there's something in that fuse box. So if you look in there, there's either going to be some sort of terminal or something where you can connect the power to if you have either jumper cables or a jump pack. And you can even use one of those small jump packs you get from Amazon. But I think that's going to be your best bet in this situation, my friend.
I don't have the jump pad, but I do have cables. You say some. I looked in there, all I saw was fuses. Matter of fact, I'm walking out to it right now.
Are you able to send me a picture of this fuse box?
Yeah, I can take a picture. I'll just send it to you.
Just upload it to the page.
Take the thing off of it and take a picture of it. All right. I just got a picture of it. Now, let me go back to the app. Oh, wait a minute. I go to the app to do it?
Wherever you were when you posted that question, go back to that page.
Inbox setting, X now, experts. I don't see, what would I find, stay upload something? Because I don't see that. I see home, inbox, or X now is just spinning. Oh, here we go.
This says there's a red terminal in the fuse box for opening the front trunk. So when you're in the fuse box, there's some red terminal. Looks like it's towards the bottom.
The only thing I have toward the bottom, I'm trying to send you this picture. So let me hold on. This one. I've got the picture in here. I'm trying to send it to you, but
you might have to type something. So just hit a letter or just hit a number or something and then hit send.
I think it's sending, and I'm not sure if it's just spinning. But while it's doing that, I'm looking for this. Like I said, inside this fuse box, there's nothing but.
Well, in theory, if you were to just power up, find the largest fuse that you can. If you can just supply power to the largest fuse or take it out and somehow supply power there, that would likely do the trick enough so it not to jump the vehicle, because you can't do that, but you could at least power it up where you might be able to either pop the hood or pop the trunk.
That's all I need to do.
Yep.
Now, so when I put my cables on here, cables are really going to fit inside this thing. Just if I can get it to clip on.
I would probably use a jumper, a smaller wire, maybe with an alligator clip or something like that, that'll attach to your jumper cable to the fuse, because the jumper cable, the connection is going to be way too big.
I don't have no clip right there. This is kind of crazy. I don't know why it doesn't have a release button for the.
I found a good website here that basically shows a really good picture. I'll try to send it over here shortly, but I'm having a hard time. B says B plug socket. That's interesting. I remember where that is. Hang on a sec here. Let me just look at another couple diagrams real fast while I got you on the phone. All right. Well, I tell you what. Why don't work on sending me that picture, and then I'll work on sending you this website where it's got a good image showing you how to jump this vehicle. So give me a few minutes, and I'll send over what I got.
All right. I'm going to send you this picture. You want me to get off the phone right now?
And I'm going to work on this for you, and I'll send over what I got here when I find it. All right?
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
You bet. You're welcome.